12-gate treatise. Translated, with introductory essays, comments, and notes by Hsueh-li Cheng, 1982. 4. Characteristics. In Chinese, sutras can be the translation of the Sanskrit terms lak, ai, ra, nimitta, or ãbhãsa. Lak, ana means characteristic, mark, sign, aspect or appearance. It usually means the individual characteristic or mark by which one object is distinguished from another. Nimitta means appearance or tangible form, and ãbhãsa is image or shadow. Hsiang in this context means primarily the characteristic, mark, sign, property, appearance or visible form of things. In this chapter, Nãgãrjuna wants to show that all things are devoid of characteristics, marks, or properties. The same issue is discussed in Chapter VII of the Middle Treatise.
Again, all things are empty. Why? Neither created nor non-created things have characteristics. Since they have no characteristics, they are both empty. Created things are not formed by characteristics. Question: what are created characteristics? Answer: everything has certain created characteristics. For example, the horn of an ox is sharp and the tip of its tail has hair. These are characteristics of an ox. The bottom of a jar is flat, its bowl is big, its neck is small, its mouth is round, its edge is rough. These are characteristics of a jar. Wheel, axle, shaft and yoke are the characteristics of a wagon. A man has a head, eyes, body, spine, shoulders, elbows, hands and feet as his characteristics. Now I ask, if origination, duration and destruction are the characteristics of created things, are they created or non-created?
Question: what is wrong with saying that characteristics are created things? Characteristics. Answer: if origination is a created thing, it should have three characteristics. If origination is a non-created thing, how can it be called a created characteristic? If origination is a created thing, it should have the three characteristics of origination, duration and destruction, and these three characteristics should have three other characteristics, to infinity. This applies also to duration and destruction. If origination is a non-created thing, how can that which is non-created be the characteristic of a created thing? Who can know origination without origination, duration and destruction? Again, origination, duration and destruction are differentiated and hence there is origination. But non-created things cannot be differentiated into origination, duration and destruction, and hence cannot have origination. This also applies to duration and destruction.
Origination, duration and destruction are empty. Therefore created things are empty. Since created things are empty, non-created things are empty, for there are non-created things because of created ones. Now since created and non-created things are empty, all things are empty. Comment: in the argument that follows, Nagarjuna focuses on origination. The characteristics of duration and destruction can be examined and refuted in the same way. Question: you say that the three characteristics, each, have three other characteristics, and hence there is an infinite regress. So origination cannot be a created thing. But, one should say, the origination of origination comes from the primal origination. On the other hand, the primal origination is originated by the origination of origination.
When a thing originates, there are 7 phenomena: thing, origination, duration, destruction, origination of origination, duration of duration and destruction of destruction. Among these 7 phenomena, primal origination can originate 6 other phenomena besides its if. And the origination of origination can originate primal origination. Then primal origination originates the origination of origination again. Therefore, although these 3 characteristics are created, they do not involve an infinite regress. This is also the case with duration and destruction. Answer: if it is said that the origination of origination originates the primal origination, how can the origination of origination originate primal origination if its if is originated by primal origination? If it is said that the origination of origination can originate the primal origination, how can the origination of origination originate the primal origination when the primal origination has not origination of origination? If it is said that the primal origination originates the origination of origination, how can the primal origination originate the origination of origination if its if is originated by the origination of origination?
To say that primal origination can originate the origination of origination, and that the origination of origination which is already originated can originate primal origination, cannot be true. Why? The origination of origination should originate primal origination, and hence is called the origination of origination. But the primal origination has not yet been originated, so how can it originate the origination of origination? To say that while the origination of origination is being originated, it can originate primal origination, cannot be true either. Why? When the origination of origination is being originated, it may originate primal origination. How can it originate primal origination if its if has not yet been originated? When the origination of origination is being originated, it may originate primal origination. But the origination of origination its if has not yet been originated and hence cannot originate the primal origination.
To say that when the origination of origination is being originated it can originate its if and also originate others, just as when light is lighting it can illuminate its if and others, cannot be true. Why? There is no darkness in the light, nor is there darkness in that place. The elimination of darkness is called illumination. Now what could the light illuminate? The body of light its if has no darkness. The illuminated place has no darkness either. If there is no darkness in the light nor darkness in the location, how can one say that light illuminates its if and other things? The elimination of darkness is called illumination. But the light does not eliminate its own darkness nor the darkness of other things. Therefore it illuminates neither its if